What do you do when your child says they have no friends? Or when you see them struggling to join in? Whether your child is super confident or a little shy, social skills matter. Studies show that children with stronger social skills are more likely to succeed, not just with friendships, but in school, future jobs, and overall happiness. And the good news is, these can be taught. I'm Christina Giorgio, and I teach children emotional intelligence, communication, and confidence. My weekly lessons do the teaching for you so they can grow up emotionally strong, sociably capable, and ready for real life. In the rest of this video, I'll walk your child through the exact steps to feel more confident, make conversations, and learn some really cool tricks to instantly get people to like them and build connections fast. And if you want ready-to-go homeschool resources that include reading, writing, emotional learning, and real-world skills, grab the free printable worksheets I make for most of my videos. They're designed to give you everything in one lesson without the extra planning. Let's talk about social skills. What are they and why do you need them? Social skills are how we connect with people, make friends, and feel comfortable in different situations. Did you know that human connection is just as important to your well-being as food and water? And it helps us feel really happy and supported. Some people find it really easy to talk to others, while others just need a little bit more practice, and that's totally okay. So let's head to the park and try this out. Before jumping in, it's a really good idea to stop, look around and get a clear picture of your surroundings. Are there kids in groups? Is there anyone playing on their own? What are the adults doing and who is with who? Once you have a good sense of your surroundings and if you want to join in, the first step is choosing where would you like to play and who looks open to it. The easiest place to start is with someone on their own. But before you go over, ask yourself, does this person look kind, friendly? Are they treating others well? And if yes, let's now think of a way to start a conversation. You might think you have to walk up to someone and say something like, "Hi, can I play with you?" And although this is great, sometimes saying something so bold can take a lot of confidence. But it's not the only way, so let's try something a little bit more fun and natural. Look for ways to start more conversations like, "Is that your dog? He's so cute. How did you do that?" This is a great one as it makes them feel really important straight away. It shows you've seen them and then makes them feel really proud and want to share and talk about it with you. So let's talk about the kind of responses that you might get when you start a conversation like this. You might get a really big smile straight away, and that would be amazing. But other times the response might be a little bit smaller, or somebody might feel a bit unsure. This doesn't mean someone's being rude. Sometimes it just means they're a little bit shy or not sure what to say back to you yet. So try not to take it to heart. Let's break down the difference between someone that's shy and someone that's rude so you know what to look out for next. A rude person might make angry faces, roll their eyes, and use body language that suggests they're really moody, like maybe putting their back to you or crossing their arms, or ignoring you completely. Whereas a shy person might look down or away a lot, but stay very near you, possibly jumping around more than normal just to get your attention. They seem unsure but still very interested, and they might talk really quietly. If they seem shy, you might want to walk away, but give them a chance. This is actually a great person to practice your new confident social skills with. It might seem a little bit difficult at first, but they will respond well to you, and after some time, you'll be surprised how much fun they could be. You could say something to them like, "I've got an idea. Want to try this game with me?" Or do you want to come on the swings for a bit? This works really well because you're making someone feel included and starting the connection with an activity, which makes them feel really safe, giving them a way to interact and spend time with you without having to speak straight away. Sometimes you're going to make a social connection with someone and they might say no. But don't worry, do not let that stop you. If someone says no, don't take it to heart. It's often not about you, it's just how they're feeling in the moment. And there's lots of times that you feel this way too, so you can understand it. Move on and try your new skills with someone else. The more you do this, the easier it becomes. And in no time, you'll be walking up to any group saying, "Can I join in?" Top tip: using names to build connection. Here is an amazing tip to build connection super fast with someone and make them like you. Make sure to ask their name while you're having fun, then use their name while you're playing. For example, "That was awesome, Jake. Want to try it again?" "Wow, Lily, you're really good at that." This works because people love hearing their own name and it makes them feel noticed and listened to and strengthens friendships very quickly. Body language tip. Here's another secret trick to help people trust you more. Use your hands when you talk. When you talk openly with your hands, people naturally trust you more. It shows honesty and confidence and makes people feel safer around you. If you hide your hands or cross your arms or keep them stiff down by your side, it can feel like you're closed off, even if you don't want to be. And there is a science behind this. It is really hard to lie and use your hands as gestures at the same time. And because of this, our brain naturally trusts somebody that uses their hands when they talk. This can be done supernaturally, just as I am now. When I'm talking, I'm opening my hands to explain, or I could be like over there to the park. Just try and find ways to add it in naturally. So remember, that next person you speak to at the park, at the shop, or on a walk, they could be your best friend for life. So be bold and be brave and just go for it. Okay, now it's your turn. Try this out and let me know how it goes. If you're up for the challenge, hit that like button and subscribe for more real world skills. I'll see you in the next video.